Do you love money? Of course. Everyone does. But do you want to do a 9-to-5 job or be your own boss? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will teach you how a channel was able to make about $1 million in just 9 months. This channel was started on 1st July 2021, and it already has more than 2.6 million subscribers, and the total views on this channel are just under 1 billion at the time of making this video. This is a huge achievement, and today, in this video, I am going to show you how you can do that too. So, the channel that made around $1 million is... Hey Money Crushers, I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. This channel uploads movies on YouTube without getting a copyright strike and makes a lot of money because of it, and I'm going to teach you how you can do that too. With the loopholes I'm going to share with you, it will become so easy for you to do this and generate passive income. This video is a complete process of how to upload movies on YouTube and get monetized without getting a copyright strike. You just have to copy and paste all the steps shown in this video, and you will be making money like this in no time. But before we start, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, as I will be sharing a secret method on how to make money while eating your favorite food. The channel here has made almost $1 million in only 9 months. The CPM of these types of channels ranges between $2 to $4. For the people who don't understand what CPM is, meaning the amount of money YouTube pays you for 1,000 views, there is endless potential in this niche, and people have made loads of money using this method that I'm going to share today. I will explain the whole process step by step, starting from where to find movie clips to getting monetized on YouTube and making some quick cash. You don't need to show your face or even record your own voice. You will be completely anonymous and making complete passive money. Without further ado, let's begin with step number 1, how to find the movies to reupload. Just head over to this site called boxofficemojo.com. This is an American website that tracks the revenue generated by each movie. This site will provide you with a list of movies that are popular right now. If you follow all of my steps carefully, you'll be getting millions of views in no time. Now, if you hover your mouse over indices, it will show you the top box office movies of all time. All these movies have gone viral once and made shitloads of money. The important part to us here is that these movies are still eligible to get high CPM on YouTube, which will help you to make more money. You can start with these movies in the beginning, and once you gain some momentum on YouTube, you can start posting new and popular movies on your YouTube channel. Now it's time to reveal the name of the channel I have been talking about. The channel is called Mystery Recap. You can see here, they are getting millions of views on each video, and after watching this video till the end, you will be on the same track as well. What this channel basically does is, they explain the movies in a summarized video of 10 to 15 minutes. The most unique thing about this channel is that they have not hired any voiceover artists for their channel. Instead, they use an AI-generated voice for their videos. For my Money Crushers who have a very busy job and think they cannot spare time for this, let me tell you, it only takes 20 to 30 minutes to make a complete video. You can also check this channel out after you complete watching this video so that you get an idea of how they are working on this channel. Now you might be wondering, how do you not get a copyright strike when you post videos like this? I want you to watch this step very carefully, as I have seen a lot of my friends miss out on a few details, which resulted in them getting banned from YouTube. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to help you get monetized and start making money. In the end of this video, I will also show you how to avoid copyright claims on your videos. So just keep watching and you will be making money in no time. Now step 2 is to find the summary or spoiler of the movie you have chosen. I will explain you this step by using an example of a movie, Ready Player One. This is the best movie to watch for getting a glimpse of the future. Now I want you to head over to Google and search for Ready Player One synopsis. Google will show you many different search results for this. You can choose any one of these, but I will share a secret tip. Go with the results from imdb.com. Did I pronounce that right? Tell me in the comments section. So, as they have the most optimized summary with SEO and keywords. This will help you rank your video on the very top in the search results. Here on the website, you can find the synopsis of almost every movie out there. You will be using this to create your own video and make loads of money through it. But here's the secret trick that is not known by anyone on this planet. If you directly copy and paste content from imdb.com, you will get a copyright strike, so the workaround for this is a secret website named spinbot.com. Just copy and paste the original content from imdb.com here, and Spinbot will rephrase the whole text so that you don't get a copyright strike on your channel. Now we have selected a movie to reupload, generated the summary for the movie, and it's time to move on to step number 3, where we will convert written summaries to audio so that we can use it on our videos on YouTube. I will share the best method available online to do this. This method is absolutely free to use, and it does not require any investment upfront. The website you need to head over to is called voicemaker.in. Here you can create voiceovers by just copying and pasting your script in this box. You can choose many different languages, and you can even select different voices available on voicemaker.in. You just need to register on this website with your details, and you will get an account on this website for absolutely free. You will be able to use this software to generate voiceover for your videos in just minutes. Once you start making money from your YouTube channel, you can invest in the premium plan available on this website that will open doors for more professional voiceovers. Now the next step is to find the movie clips for your videos. And the best way to do this is to use the movie clips already uploaded on YouTube. Just search YouTube for the movie name and clips after that. As you can see here, you will find many clips that you can use in your videos for absolutely free. Just make sure to choose the clips from small channels and not the official movie channel. To download these videos, you can use this free website called y2mate.com. Just paste the link of the YouTube video and start the download. Make sure to remove the audio from these movie clips so that you don't get a copyright strike on your YouTube channel. It's time for the secret sauce for my money crushers. While using these clips, make sure you flip them like this so that you don't get any copyright claims from the original video owners. According to YouTube's fair use policy, you can create videos using my method and you will be reaching these same numbers in no time. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.